Okay, so now we have the rain. There's the wind. I missed a couple good flashes. Unfortunately, I ran out of space on the phone. So here we go. Like I said, torrential downpour. Coming, this big raindrops. This one by itself took a long time to form. And it keeps getting stronger, and it's just building up moisture. And so this one is probably going to be a really powerful one. And it's just feeding off that heat and that sun. Now, my particular ability is supercharged with this. And the moisture is now starting to take in the patterns of the field, so it's pressing in that way as well. This storm reminds me of the one in 2019, and the Monticello storm. That was in the Catskills. By the way, it's kind of behaving. This is probably going to be a long duration one. So it's not going to be a quick mover. It has an insane amount of gray clouds, like just very high energy and just dense. I'm gonna kill this part and do another.